Hi, it's Tom from Auto Camper South from Roywood Transits. For sale today, here we have an Auto Camper Day Van Eco line. So this is a short wheelbase, low line roof, suspended bed model, based on a Ford Transit Custom Tourneo Titanium Independence RS WAV. Now that stands for Wheelchair Accessible Vehicle, which means this van comes with a bifold ramp, 4 Q restraints, and an electric soft start winch. Right, let me show you around it. Registered late September 2018. Ford manufacturer's warranty until late September this year. So 68 plate, and it's covered just 22,000 miles. This is a titanium series. A few standout features already. The extended wheel arches, the bigger alloy wheels, body colour mirrors, body colour bumpers, parking sensors on the front and on the rear of the van, .130 PS 6-speed manual, electrical hookup, go into more detail about that later. The upgraded driver security door lock fitted by Roywood Transits. You've got heated mirrors, heated windscreen, corner and fog lights, 5-bar chrome grille, up the bifold ramp. Underneath the tailgate, and here you can see where the fixed furniture of the Eco line marries up with the fixtures of the WAV. So, fixed furniture underneath, and you have the additional cost option of the 2 cupboards on top. This is semi-modular, so they can be removed. Please refer to our Eco line YouTube video for further information and further options. Alternatively here, you can see the Q restraint system, seatbelt there, and the electric soft start winch. Again, for further information, please visit the WAV videos on our YouTube page. So standard on the Eco line, you get your gas hookup, 907 cylinder. Behind that cupboard there, you've got your 2 12-litre freshwater tanks and your leisure battery. And then further up ahead, you've got your glass lid combination sink and 2 gas hob burner. So that also folds flat and gives you lots of worktop space. Down here we've got lots of extra space, lots of storage, compartment for the portable toilet, again, which can be a cost option, cutlery drawer, and you've got your 50-litre fridge freezer. That being the freezer element. So inside, this Eco line suspended bed model is 2-berth, so it sleeps 2 people comfortably. But up front you'll notice there is 3 passenger seats, so space inside for 3 up the front. And with the Q restraint system, space for 1 wheelchair and occupant as well. So 4 travel, 2-berth. The dual front cab seat does rotate like so, which now creates a comfortable environment for working or for dining. You can then grab the table from the side loading door on the passenger side. And attach it like so to set up the table. Here you have the wheelchair safely secured in the 2nd row position using the front 2 Q restraints. And the rear restraints like so. 3-point diagonal lap belt, so it's safe and secure. And now with the tables stowed, ready for the journey. Here you can see the Eco line with the modular furniture removed. The suspended bed can now be set at 2 different heights depending on the furniture layout, and on the lower setting, if the furniture is removed, it can be made into a wider bed as a cost option. Allow me to show you now. And here you can see the suspended element of the bed and also how large it is. The bed can also be made up into a chaise using these panels. And here you can see the bed in the higher setting. Inside the cab is very well appointed, being a titanium series van. You've got your twin cab seats, which you saw earlier, which rotate. Single driver's seat with 10-way adjustable. Lumbar support as well. Height and rake adjustable steering wheel. Electric windows, power folding mirrors, which are also heated. Automatic headlights with daytime running. Automatic wipers. Voice activation when your phone's connected through Bluetooth. Cruise control, speed limiter. Just confirm the miles while we're here. 22,000. 6-speed manual, so of course 3 pedals. Over here you've got your AC, you've got your heated windscreen, you've got quick clear, you've got quick cool as well. Heated seats on the outer 2. And then here is the Ford Sync entertainment system, so a great blend of touchscreen and also physical buttons. If you connect your phone through USB, you can then access Android or Apple CarPlay, get your Spotify, all your favourite apps up, Google Maps. So in conclusion, and for sale today at Autocamper South, here we have an Autocamper day van. This is an Ecoline suspended bed model with the low roof line. This is based on a used Ford Transit Tourneo Titanium RS WAV, so a wheelchair accessible vehicle. Covered just 22,000 miles. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a visit, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.